Hello, it's Aaron again, bringing you another random rambling video. I started this on Wednesday, August 13th, 2025 at 12:34 a.m. That's 1234. Make a wish. Make a wish, but don't tell me what it is or it won't come true. I'll make my wish now. Alright, I made my wish. I can't tell you what it is. I think my roommate's dying. Something's going on over there. Maybe he was just coughing. Hopefully he wasn't dying. Hopefully he was just coughing. Yes, but I made my wish. Hope you made your wish. I don't know what he's doing. I don't know if it's snoring or he's half snoring, half talking in his sleep, half, I don't know what. The three halves don't make a whole. Three halves make like one and a half or something. That's too many halves. Halves. I'm drinking my last Mountain Dew Baja Blast. I had 12 packs, I had 12 six-packs when I started the month, and now I'm down to this one last one that is partially drunk on. I'm partially drunk on it. Not dry. Yeah. No, I've done that before, so never mind. What's up? What are you doing? What you got in there? What's that? My roommate has arisen to eat something in a white bowl. I don't know what it is. I don't want to be the spider that sat beside Little Miss Muffet. But I doubt he's eating curds and whey anyway. What is that? What is that, Kenny? You don't know? What is it? Food? What kind of, what is it? He said, I asked what it was, and he said, it's food. As opposed to eating non-food. You're missing the table. You might want to go back to bed. You're still asleep. He's eating in his sleep. Sounds like something I would do. The substance of the bulb is still a mystery. What was that, pudding? Still a mystery. Apparently it was a secret. I think it was fruit from dessert for dinner. That's what I think it was. That's what I think it is. Yeah, I think that's what it is. He is now drinking the juice out of the bowl, so I think it is fruit. Is that fruit, Kenny? Is that fruit? Okay, yeah, it is fruit. It's been confirmed. It is fruit. The mystery of the shit inside the bowl has been solved. It was, in fact, fruit. I think pears, to be exact. Pears, I believe. What? Huh? What are you saying? What'd you say? Is that English? Are you speaking English? What'd you say? Turn the air conditioner off? Why? No. You're cold? Oh, well. Alright, give me a minute. I'm making a video right now. I'll turn it on. I got no. No, no, no. Well, it's the air conditioner off, but it's like still 90 degrees and St. Louis.
Right now in St. Louis, it's 74 degrees.
I turned it off. I turned it off. It's only 74 degrees outside. I think we're going to leave it off for a while. I was going to stand my ground, but considering it's the middle of summer, I was going to stand my ground and leave the air conditioner on, but it's only 74 degrees outside, so I turned it off. I didn't stand my ground. I can't stand anyway. I was going to roll and sit my ground. Roll my ground. Roll my own. I don't roll my own. I don't smoke at all. But if I did, I wouldn't roll my own. I have something in my eyeball. Besides the palm of my hand, I took that out. It's still in there. Whatever's in there is still in there. But I took the palm of my hand out of my eyeball. Alright, let me get on with this video. What have we had so far? We've had my roommate get up and eat this fruit in the middle of the night. In his sleep, we've had me roll over and get my phone to find out what the temperature is, to decide whether or not I'm going to turn off the air conditioner. It's 74 degrees outside, so I turned it off. That should be alright for the rest of the night. And then when it gets hot tomorrow, it's going back on for sure. There's a bear. There's a bear in my roommate's bed. I think he ate my roommate. He's laying there growling. Or my roommate's snoring. One of the two. Alright, I'm sorry. Here I go. Continuing with the video. Nice over there ripping farts. Snoring, ripping farts. Snoring, ripping farts. A little bit of both. A little bit of snore, snore, snore. Sure, that takes talent, I'd say. Sorry, I forgot I was making a video. I'll get back to it. I think. Yes, I will. I'm 12 minutes in. I've been making a 12-minute video so far. The next at 12:46 a.m. I guess I'm done now. It's kind of, I don't know. I don't know. I guess I'm gonna hang it up now. It's been long enough. You kids have had enough of me, haven't you? I'm gonna hang it up. Two fingers, A-Dub Club. See ya when I see ya. Pizza rolls. See ya. Peace.